Welcome! In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a new billing milestone in CrossConcept Continuum. Please note that to be able to create a new billing milestone, it is required to first create a corresponding project, or at least create a new project at the same time as creating the new billing milestone. Please refer to the corresponding training video for more information about creating projects in the system. From the left menu, we go into Projects, and under the Project Management group, we select Projects. The Manage Project screen opens. In this example, we will create a new billing milestone under one of the existing projects, so we click this icon under the Action column to open the project in Edit mode. The Project Profile window opens. In order to be able to create a new billing milestone, we need to ensure that the project is set as billable. Under the Financial tab, we need to select the Billable checkbox. Please note that if the Billable checkbox is not selected, the only option available in the billing type drop-down will be non-billable. By selecting the Billable checkbox, we have the following options under the billing type drop-down: Time and Material All Billable, Time and Material Billable to the project cap, which means any overage to the project value is non-billable, Milestone Billing, and Set a Task, which will allow us creating a project with a combination of billable tasks and non-billable tasks. To be able to create the billing milestones, we need to select Milestone Billing or Set a Task. By selecting Milestone Billing, the project tasks will have its same billing type by default. And by selecting Set a Task, we will be able to manually select the option Milestone Billing in the required tasks. In this example, we can leave the Set a Task option. By selecting this option, a new tab appears in the project profile called Billing Milestones. To create a new billing milestone, we click the plus symbol under the milestone column. A new row is created in the grid, so we need to enter the name of the billing milestone, such as Analysis Completed. Then we can enter a description. Then we select the bill start date, which by default is the current date. And then we enter the billing frequency. In this example, let's say we will bill the customer on a monthly basis, so we select monthly. Then we enter the quantity, which in this example represents the number of months. We enter the number 3. By entering the quantity of 3 rows appear in the billing milestone detail view. Each row represents a month, so the bill date column displays the start date of each month. Then we enter the total amount, such as 3,000. Please note that the billing amount in the detail view divides the total amount across the 3 months. Then we have the currency of the billing milestone, which takes by default the currency selected for the project. The bill date end is calculated automatically based on the frequency and the quantity selected. Then we can select the tax rate to be applied to the billing milestone. Please note that these tax rates must be configured in the system previously. For more information about creating tax rates, please refer to the corresponding training video. The Invoice checkbox will be selected automatically once the billing milestone is invoiced through the system's invoicing functionality. Under the Detail view, we also have a checkbox called Invoice Ready. We will need to select this checkbox when a billing milestone is completed, so it will appear listed under the project when creating the associated invoice. For more information about creating invoices in the system, please refer to the corresponding video tutorial. Finally, if required, we can edit the milestone name and other values directly in the grid. Please note that by clicking the plus symbol again, we can create as many billing milestones as required. To save the billing milestone, we click the Apply or Save button at the top right. Once the billing milestone has been saved in this project, we can see it under the associated tasks that also have the Milestone billing type. We click this plus symbol to create a new task, and the Task Profile window opens. Under the Financial tab, we ensure that the milestone billing value is selected under the Task Billing Type field. Then, under the Assignments tab, we have a checkbox called Milestone Driven, which is selected by default. By expanding the Billing Milestone drop-down, we can select the billing milestone we just created for this project. We hope you find these instructions useful in your work with CrossConcept Continuum. Thank you for watching this tutorial.